Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should get the Muviz Edge app from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge. Now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and tap to Muviz Edge. Click allow display over apps and go back. Tap to AOD and select one from these available tabs. Click to apply. Now let's just lock the device. And we could see that we just successfully activated the always on display option. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.